What's the meaning of charge nurse? Charge nurse. Charge nurse.
Charge nurse. Charge nurse. A charge nurse is a registered nurse who is responsible for managing a team of nurses in a healthcare setting. This includes overseeing patient care, delegating tasks to other nurses, and ensuring that all aspects of patient care are of the highest quality. The charge nurse also takes on administrative duties such as scheduling and budgeting. They are typically experienced nurses who have demonstrated strong leadership skills and the ability to make decisions quickly. A charge nurse plays a critical role in ensuring that patients are receiving the highest standard of care possible.